What's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So ngayon pag-usapan natin kung bakit mahalaga ang SWOT analysis. Okay, sa mga malaking company, okay, may mga adjustment ang SWOT analysis nila. At the same time, pinag-aaralan talaga nila. Kung kumbaga, nasa planning na nila na alam yung SWOT analysis, yung strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Okay, bakit nga ba mahalaga ang SWOT analysis? Para sa akin, ang SWOT analysis ay para alam mo ang strengths at threats. Okay? Para pag alam mo yung kung saan ka malakas, yung strengths mo is kailangan mong i-maintain, at yung threats kailangan mong maging strength. Okay? Kaya, alam mo rin yung magiging opportunity. Okay? Kapag may threats, may opportunity. Kapag may weakness, merong strength. Kapag may weakness, kailangan mong i-improve yun. Yung strength, kailangan i-maintain. Ang hirap mag-maintain. Ang hirap maging consistent. Pero, we need to be a consistent like our Jesus Christ. Okay? If you want to buy this book, link na Facebook page official description. Nice lang po kayo. Salamat po. God bless.